Welcome to this edition of Health Talk. My name's Julianne Raftery, and today I'm joined by one of our newest members, Dr. Rachael Moyer.
Hi, it's nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you too. So first I'd like to ask you, what inspired you to pursue chiropractic care?
Yes, that's a good question. So it actually was this office.
Oh, really?
In high school, I had a sports injury, suffered for about a week or so, and then a family member was like, you really need to come try it out. So I came here, I saw one of the doctors here, and it really was a life-changing experience.
Yeah.
Came back to shadow for high school, and I was like, this is what I have to do, and the rest is history.
Yeah. Who'd you see?
I saw Dr. Dave Mazzola.
Oh, he's the best.
Yeah.
Yeah. So where did you study and complete your training for chiropractic?
Yeah, so I went to Palmer College of Chiropractic in Florida, right on the East Coast.
Yeah.
Nice beachy town.
Mm-hmm. It's lovely.
Yeah.
How was it there? How was your journey there?
It was good. It was very intense. I'm used to the intensity. I was in a very intense undergrad program prior to that. Not quite as many course hours, but it was still very intense, and it pretty much followed suit through there. Not a lot of time for breaks, not a lot of time to do much else but study, but that was worth it because it brought me here, and now I have the time to do the things I couldn't do when I was in chiropractic school.
So how long have you been practicing and been out of school for?
Yeah, so I graduated right before Christmas, December of 2024.
Okay.
And I have been here since February, so I've had my license since February, March, so I've been treating here about 2 months now.
Okay, so what would you say are some of your specialties, if you have them yet?
Yeah.
I know it's only been a short period.
Yeah, so my main specialty is sports. I have a degree in athletic training, so I am very well versed in athletic injuries.
Yeah.
So that is one of my main specialties. I really like working with teens, especially teenage athletes, partly because I was one when I came here, so that has a little place for me.
Full circle moment.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I really like working with those. I also have certificates in pregnancy chiropractic, so I am Webster certified. That happened right after chiropractic school. So I have a couple pregnant mamas that I work with, which is a lot of fun. But other than that, mostly digging into the sports for the most part, yeah.
So what would you say is your favorite part about working with those patients?
Definitely my favorite part is that everyone is different. So you can't have one approach to treat everybody.
Right.
So you get like a little bit of, this person might be really quiet, and you're kind of like, I'll meet you where you're at, and then as the teenagers start getting more comfortable with you, they start talking, they start opening up, and you really see their personalities and what they're looking to get out of chiropractic care. So that's a lot of fun. The pregnant moms, that's fun because a lot of them don't know that you can get chiropractic care while you're pregnant. So they're a lot of fun to talk with. You know, I haven't had kids myself yet, so it's fun to get their perspective as far as, oh, like this happened right after the adjustment, and you know, baby was a little more movement. Like,
it's exciting.
It's a lot of fun to get to see those and see them throughout their journey of pregnancy, which is really cool.
Yeah. So now, outside of the office, what would you say are some of your personal passions and or hobbies?
Yeah. So I still enjoy playing tennis. That was my injury that got me here.
Okay.
So I still enjoy playing tennis when I can with friends, family members. When I have the time, I like to go out and take photos. I like photography.
That's really cool.
Other than that, I just like hanging out with my family, spend time with lots of family members. Now that I'm home being in chiropractic school, I was a little too far away to spend a lot of time with them, so making up for lost time with that, which is really good.
So I know it's been a short period, but what would you say is your favorite part of being on the new Hanover team thus far?
I like that it's essentially a family here. Like, there's so many people, we get to learn from all the docs that are more experienced, more seasoned, and because I was a patient here, it is that full circle moment where I get to work alongside the doc that treated me when I was here. I get to work along everyone else that I didn't necessarily see when I was here as well. So it's a really cool family, and even the people that weren't here that I get to know and learn how to do rehab and work with different people is really great.
Yeah, without a doubt. And lastly, what's one message that you would want to send to the New Hanover community?
One thing that I really think is really cool, so chiropractic care is not just pain care, it's general health care. So a lot of people don't realize that you should be coming to the chiropractor regardless of if you're in pain or not. it's no different than going to the dentist and getting your yearly cleaning. So they're taking care of your teeth, we're taking care of your spine. You should be seeing us even if you're not in pain. There's still potentially dysfunction and things that we can work for and work through.
Yeah, without a doubt.
It's a really cool message.
Yeah, thank you so much,
Yeah.
Dr. Moyer. And I'm excited to see your future here at New Hanover.
Thank you.
Good day, good health.